Hello guys, it's Esther and I will be showing you how to draw an Advent wreath. So first divide your paper into 4 and then you're going to create a box around it if you don't have a squared paper. And then we're only going to use the bottom section. Okay, and then in that bottom section you're going to put a line right under the middle and then divide it in half and then put a line over the middle, the fourth line over, and then it sounds kind of complicated, but it will make sense once we connect it all. And then make little parentheses on the side. And then connect the bottom line with the parentheses. And then those top ones, we're going to connect it to the top line you created. So now you have like an oval. And now with the middle lines that we have, we're going to create a second oval. And those are the lines. So the line in the front is a little bit thicker than the line in the back. Okay. Now we are going to add the candles. We're going to add the middle one. So we're going to add 2 lines going up and then like a cylinder on the top. A cylinder. An oval to make a cylinder. Alright, and then you're going to repeat the process for this. And we're going to add 4 more. But these are going to be smaller. Alright, now that you have that done, we will be able to go over with marker and add the little flames. So first I just add a little line and then I make like a leaf. And that is our little tiny flame. Once you are done with the flame, you can add the wax coming down and the outline of the candle. So what I like to do is give it a little bit of detail and add squigglies and then make it look like it's going down and melting. And then I put some in the center as well. Then I come around again and then I just do a straight down line from the melted little oval. Alright, and then we do the same thing and we kind of try to change the pattern so they won't all look the same. And now create the wax falling down for all of the candles. Alright, and then we're going to add a cross on the middle one, the biggest candle. And then we're going to add lines, little lines on the bottom of the candles to cover up the base of the candle. Alright, and so basically all you're doing here is going to try to fill up the wreath with a bunch of little lines. So I try to make it like the little plants that they use for this. So I create a long line and then a bunch of little lines coming out of the long line from the beginning. And then we are going to make the same little lines going all around the circle. Once you've created that, then you need to fill in the inside of the wreath. So then I just add random lines and then from those random lines you're gonna add little lines. And then if there's blank spaces, you can just add random little lines Doesn't have to be a stick or anything like that, but you just add more lines. And in the end, it won't matter how it looks because you're gonna color it and it will look a lot better once you color it. Alright, now we're gonna color it green. And I'm gonna add a little bit of shade and highlight with some yellow. Okay, and then you color in the little flames, and we color 3 of the candles purple, and then 1 is going to be pink. And that is your Advent wreath. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I also have Instagram and Facebook where you can follow me there as well. Thank you.